guys, it's Vijaya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my recipe for a mango mojito mocktail, and I'm so happy to share that this video is in partnership with SodaStream. Now, I use my SodaStream almost every single day to make sparkling water. It's so fast, it's so convenient, and when I have friends and family come over, I like to make large quantities of cocktails and mocktails so that everyone feels nice and welcome, and the SodaStream helps me do that so easily. Now, if you're looking for the full recipe, it is just under this video in the description box. Let's get started. So the very first thing that we're gonna do is create a mint syrup, which is going to flavor the mango mojito, and it's so simple to prepare. So in the saucepan, I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. We're gonna top things off with water, and I have this beautiful fresh garden mint. I'm gonna strip it off the stem, and that's gonna go in there as well. Now we're gonna pop it on the stove and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes to let the mint infuse into the syrup and to allow all those sugar granules to melt. Once the syrup has been strained, I'm going to let it completely cool down. At this point, I can even store it in the fridge, and look at that beautiful green hue that it's taken on. It's going to be perfect in this cocktail. Our syrup has completely cooled down, and it looks and smells amazing, so minty, perfect for a mojito. Now it's time to sparkle some water in our SodaStream. And the thing that I love about this machine so much is that each CO2 cylinder can make up to 60 liters of sparkling water, which is amazing because when I have tons of friends and family coming over, it means endless cocktail and mocktail possibilities, and everyone's going to stay nice and quenched. Now, all I've done here is filled my bottle up to the line with some cold water. I'm going to pop it into my SodaStream and press the button, and just like that, in a few seconds, we have beautiful, bubbly, sparkling water, which is perfect for our mango mojito. All right, so let's assemble this mango mojito. It's so easy. So I have a nice big pitcher here, and to it, I'm going to add our mint simple syrup. And because mojitos need a little bit of acid, we're gonna squeeze in a ton of lime juice. It's gonna make this drink nice and tart. Next, we're gonna go in with some alphonso mango pulp. If you can't find this, you can just puree up some fresh mangoes and you're good to go. I'm gonna top things off with a little bit of fresh mint. And of course, my sparkling water made with my SodaStream. We're gonna give that a nice mix to combine. And I'm going to garnish with some fresh mango and thin slices of lime. To serve things up, I'm going to put some ice in a glass, top things off with my mango mojito mocktail, garnish with a sprig of mint, and there you go, the perfect drink for entertaining. All right, it is time for the taste, and I cannot wait. In with the straw, it is nice and icy. Oh my goodness. It's so good. I feel like I've been transported to a tropical island. This is so refreshing. You get the effervescence of the sparkling water made by the SodaStream, that tropical note from the mango pulp, and the mint and lime together are so perfect. Now, the options and possibilities with your SodaStream are endless, and when I have friends and family coming over, I love to have a selection of fresh fruit, juices, liqueurs, and garnishes so that everyone can make their own. And here are a couple of more ideas for you. I love making a watermelon mocktail with fresh watermelon juice, lime, salt, chili, ginger-infused simple syrup, and SodaStream sparkling water. It's such a fun one. Another great variation is infusing my SodaStream sparkling water with blackberry bubbly drops. I then add fresh lemon juice, grape juice, and blackberries and strawberries to it to make another delicious mocktail. All right, you guys, look at all these cocktails. They came together so quickly, only a couple of minutes each, and they smell and look fantastic. I can't wait to have my family and friends over so that they can devour them. And you know, the great part is I have my SodaStream, so even if I run out, it only takes a couple of more minutes to put together another batch for the next round. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, concern, or request, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye.